Hey guys, this is JW51M here, and I'm going to show you the brand new 2012 Clone Army video. This is the biggest army I have, so let's just get on to the video, guys. So here it is. I'm going to start off with minifigures. I have 12 regular clone troopers, and I have 6 ETH troopers, sorry. And then I have 4 ARC troopers, and one has a flamethrower, which is pretty cool. I like it a lot. Custom made. And then I have 14 bomb squad troopers, and then I have 2 right here that don't have arms or legs. And then I have a scout trooper that was in episode 6 in the Star Wars. And I have 2 ARC trooper helmets that come from Airy Light. I have Boil and Waxer. Yeah, Boil and Waxer. Then I have a ETH Koth Commander. And then I have ARC Trooper Commander. I have Commander Cody and Captain Rex. And then I have a Gun right there. And then I do have Jar Jar Binks, but he lost his legs and his arms. And then I have 2 gunners, 2 clone gunners. I have Nadar Veb, Ki-Adi-Mundi, Master Yoda, Anakin Skywalker, Plo Koon, Ahsoka Tano, Luminary Unduli, and Ali Sakura. Then I have a AT-RT that came with the turbo tank, and I have a commuter station that came with the turbo tank. I have 2/12 AT-RT as well. Then I have R2-D2 and R747, I believe. And then I have 8 2011 Clone Battle Packs, and then I have one that came with the Geonosian cannon. Then I have the Turbo Tank, Clone Tank, and Plo Koon Starfighter. So that is it for my Clone Army, guys. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, like the video. I'm in a hurry because my battery's just about to die, my camera. So thanks for watching, guys. Comment, subscribe. I just said that. So see you guys later. Get you the full view. Okay, see you guys later. Bye.